Today we are going to learn about increasing order or ascending order. Objectives are: you will learn to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest number, and you will understand about ordering the number. Increasing order or ascending order. Here is steps with the number itself: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The boy has to climb the 9 steps. It starts from 1. The boy has to climb the 9 steps. It starts from 1. Yes, as he climbs on step 2, notice that step 2 is bigger than step 1. Now the boy climbs step 3. It's bigger than step 2. Then step 4 is bigger than step 3. Then step 5 is bigger than step 4. Then step 6 is bigger than step 5. Then 7 is bigger than 6. 8 is bigger than 7. And last one, 9 is bigger than 8. As he climbs each steps, he is ascending. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 said to be in a ascending order. See this arrow? It goes from smallest to biggest. Look here, 1 is the smallest number, then 9 is the biggest number here. What is meant by ascending order? When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest, we call it ascending order. Let's see some example here. Arrange the number in ascending order. Yes, we have 4 trees with the number itself. We have to arrange in ascending order. Yes, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Look the number here. Here we have the number 8, 3, 1 and 5. Which is the smallest number here? Yes, 1 is the smallest number here. Yes, you are right. Where we have to put the number here? We have to put the number on the first mango. Then, which is the second smallest number here? Yes, you are right. 3 is the second smallest number here. Already we written 1 and 3 here. Remaining we have 8 and 5. Compare these two numbers. Which is the smallest number here? Yes, you are right. 5 is the smallest number here. Then we have remaining which number we have? 8 is the remaining number? Right. Actually, what we order it? We order it as a ascending order. Let's see one more example here. Arrange the number in ascending order. Here we have circle with the numbers. We have to arrange in ascending order in the given box. Okay. Which is the smallest number here? Look the number first. we have 6, 4, 2, 3 and 7. Which is the smallest number here? 2 is the smallest number here? Yes, 2 is the smallest number here. After 2, which is the smallest number here? 3 is the smallest number here. Good. Again we have 6, 7 and 4. Compare these three numbers. Which is the smallest number here? You are right. 4 is the smallest number here. Again we have 6 and 7. Compare these two numbers. Which number is smallest here? 6 is the smallest here. Very good. 6 is the smallest number here. Then remaining number is, which number is remaining here? 7 is remaining. Yes. What we did? We order the number in ascending order. See one more example here. Again we have circle with the numbers itself. We have to arrange the number in ascending order in the given box. Look at the number 1, 8, 3, 5 and 9. Now, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. Then, which number will come next? 3 is the smallest number. After 3, we have which number is remaining? 9, 5, 8. Which number is remaining here? 5 is remaining here. After that, which number will come? 8 is the smallest number here. After that, which number will come? 9 is the biggest number here. We arrange the number 1 to 9. Here 1 is the smallest number here and 9 is the biggest number here. We arrange the number smallest to big. Smallest to big. It is called ascending order. I hope you all understood the concept of ascending order. With these examples, I'll see you all in your next class. Take care everyone. Thank you.